So switching to Flow right now. So what I've been doing for the past months, every time I was generating a video, I was first starting with Whisk and generating a static image, because it leaves me a lot more freedom in agenting the image, whether I want to add an object in it or modify a color, and it goes faster to do like this. So what I've done here is convert my prompt to JSON prompting. Why you want to use JSON prompting for video generation is because it will separate each action in your prompt. So for example, I will show you here, it will divide the lightning, the scene, the camera action, the character action, and the AI will understand better your prompt like this instead of a simple text. You can see on the left, the video generated was with a simple text prompt, and you can see that it's making a transition in the middle of the video, but I didn't ask for it. And on the right side, you can see the JSON version. So it's much more realistic. You have much more details, the light going through the trees, the reflection on the car, and there's no unwanted hallucination or movement in the generation. There is also a gem there to convert your prompt to JSON. I will quickly share my screen with Flow here. Up. So that's the result you've seen here, with the car going through the mountains. So once you've generated your video, you can add it up to the scene if the result is good for you, and then you can do a whole editing in the tool. But you can also, if you want another camera movement in a tool, you can click on Edit here, and you will get a different option. So if you want a different camera position, if it needs to go to be up, down, move left, etc. And a camera motion, so that means, for example, here with orbit up, instead of following the car, the camera will move up at the same time, so you can see also the landscape behind or anything else. So you can really play with all the options there to get the perfect results that you want. I've also made an example here. I've asked AI to create a close-up on the car's wheel, and it is as well. It added some music. Don't ask me why, but it added some music. Yeah. And for this result, I just fed AI with the example of the car model I wanted, and the car in a specific location. So here it was on a mountains road with the JSON prompting to generate it.